Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieve this eggplant sauce or garden egg sauce. Some people call it eggplant sauce, some people call it garden egg sauce. So here is the garden egg that I will be using. I added hot water and I'll cover and cook it until it is cooked. Here is cooked and remove it and start the stew process. I added in my vegetable oil, my mackerel fish, my soft chicken that I marinated with pepper, onion, garlic, ginger and salt. So the fish is fried. I'll take it out of the oil. Now I'll add in my fried gizzard, tomato, onion, mixed spices, garlic, ginger, seasoning cubes, salt and powdered onion. I'll cover and simmer it for 1 second. So this is after 1 second. I will give it a good mix. So now I'll add in my garden egg and I will mix it again together thoroughly. So I'll cover and steam it on low heat for 5 minutes. Here is after 5 minutes. I gave it a good mix. And I'll add in my fried fish. I'll mix together and I'll cover and simmer it for another 2 minutes. So here is after 2 minutes. The oil is floating. It is ready. You can eat with yam, plantain, cocoa yam, rice. Thank you for watching. Bye.